Ms. Del Campo, sabi niyo po yung COA conducted compliance audit at sa evaluation niyo ng OVP's confidential expenses, which matters po, no? Did COA treat as questions of compliance with the joint circular? And which matters, did COA recognize as falling within the operational judgment of the implementing agency?
Pwede pong paki-clarify po yung question.
Which matters po doon sa pag-conduct ng COA, treating it as questions of compliance with the joint circular, and which matters doon po sa paggawa ng COA, recognizing it as falling within the operational judgment ng Office of the Vice President.
Yung pag-evaluate po namin ng mga liquidation documents, binibase po namin yon sa joint circular. Yung sa Office of the Vice President po, yung pag-liquidate po dapat nila, it is based po dapat sa should be compliant with the joint circular.
Dapat pareho lang.
Opo.
So when COA disagreed na yung OVP's characterization that an activity was confidential, necessary, and successfully accomplished, what specific standards po yung ina-apply nyo?
The joint circular po ang basis ng aming audit.
Wala na pong ibang separate COA guidelines.
Ginagamit din po namin yung rules and regulation on settlement of accounts.
I'm sorry?
The rules and regulations on settlement of accounts.
And ito po, same standards applied consistently to all the transactions reviewed.
Opo, tama po.
Salamat po. Kapag nag-issue po ang COA ng notice of disallowance, maaari pa po bang itong ma-cure simply by correcting, replacing, or subsequently submitting supporting documents?
Yung sa notice of disallowance po, appeal po sa commission proper ang remedy po ng isang agency.
So kailangan kang dumaan provided ng COA rules na para ma-lift o ma-reverse yung ND. Is that correct? Can you explain the process?
Pag nag-issue po kasi si ICFAO ng notice of disallowance, may demand na po to restitute the amount. Pero may remedy pa din po yung agency na mag-appeal po sa commission proper.
Commission proper or COA director?
Yung sa case po ng ICFAO, diretso na po sa commission proper ang appeal.
Tapos, pwedeng mag-MR.
Kung magkakaroon po ng decision, kung gaya nga po nang nangyari sa fourth quarter 2022 na meron silang, yung decision is na-affirm yung ND, opo, meron pa pong remedy na MR.
Tapos pwedeng mag-judicial review
Pag
sa SC.
petition for certiorari po.
Okay. So,